Good evening. Tonight, there's a new legal challenge for former Assembly Speaker Sheldon Silver. A political activist is taking him to court. He wants Silver to pay back taxpayers for money he spent to settle sexual harassment complaints, claiming the former speaker broke the law.
Outside of his scope of duties.
It's a push to reach into Sheldon Silver's pockets to the tune of $103,000. Taxpayer money Silver paid out to two women in 2012 who complained they were sexually harassed by former Brooklyn Assemblyman Vito Lopez. At the time, few people questioned the move because not many people knew about it. Silver had even admitted he tried to keep the payment under wraps.
He had no authority to negotiate that settlement.
Robert Schulz, who sued New York over the SAFE Act, argues Silver violated the Constitution by not going through the right channels. Though a judge had already dismissed a similar case against Silver, Schulz maintains he needs to pay the money back, along with attorney's fees.
Mr. Silver violated the constitutionally driven, constitutionally derived rules of the Assembly, where he was directed to submit such claims to the Assembly Ethics and Guidance Committee.
Silver's attorney defended the speaker's actions.
How do you justify spending taxpayer dollars and keeping it secret, attempting to keep it secret?
Your Honor, that's a question of judgment. And I suppose, we could, if we could turn the clock back, we could say maybe that judgment was poorly exercised. But that doesn't give Mr. Schulz or anyone else the right or the basis to proceed with a claim against the Speaker or anyone else in the Assembly with respect to that.
Chris Mazzaroni tells me Silver was trying to protect the Assembly from further damages when he requested the payout.
The Speaker was looking out for the interests of the Assembly. That's what he's duty-bound to do, and we feel that the court understands that.
This is a civil case, and I believe he should repay the money that he wrongfully spent.
The appellate panel will now consider the case. Silver's federal corruption trial, by the way, will begin November 2nd in New York City. To catch up on Silver's case, be sure to follow us on air and online at CBS6Albany.com, as well as on Facebook and Twitter.